Primo Profits Review. Hey guys and girls, this is Nagu from Nagudaran.com. So in this video, I am going to review the products called the Primo Profits Review, which is going to be launched on 19th April 2021, right? Basically, Primo Profits comes with Chrome extension and video creation software. So let I explain something how you can use this Primo Profits, right? So let's say I am right now in the Google, in YouTube. So if I search the keyword something like best laptops under 30,000, right? So then I can get that all of the information. Now I just put best laptop under 2020, then I will get the information like this, right? So this particular website, the top 5 best laptops under 30,000 in 2020. So it's showing here. So now the 2020 is already over, so that no one will search the keyword like this, right? So that now if people want to search the keyword, they simply put that 20, instead of 2020 they just put 2021. So this keyword is the have that huge volume of affiliate commission, but this keyword is very fresh for 2021, so that there are lot of videos will not be available for this keyword targeting. So this is the key, you can target it. But what that Primo Profits is giving you, it gives you that done for you 900 plus keywords like this. So if you simply press the keyword ideas button on your Chrome extension, it will bring you the keywords, that easy to rank keywords like this. So if you find some 3 to 5 products by doing that Google or YouTube search, then find those information and copy that links by yourself and put it on that Chrome extension for up to 3 to 4 products. Then it will bring you some, it will merge and give you that campaign file, right? So with audio voiceover. So that audio voiceover you can import in your video creation software, which is called Zen. So where you can import that campaign file with the audio voiceover, then it will create it as a very beautiful video slide for you with the voiceover. Then you can directly upload those videos into your YouTube along with your affiliate link, Amazon affiliate links in the description box. So since this that Primo Profits is giving you that low competition long tail keyword with a high volume of affiliate commission, then if you are creating that video and targeting that keyword, then you will get the rank very easily on YouTube, and you can drive lot of free traffic from YouTube to your Amazon website. Though that Google Chrome extension is providing you that a lot of information about the easy to rank keywords, that research needs to be done by yourself. So for that also, that Primo Profits is giving you some of the special web-based application is called Zen. So in that, if you go to that application, it will give you that all the done for you information for you. So just say for example, if you want to run that camera, it will give you that all of the camera related things for you. So we will see the demo in few minutes for this. So as I said here, this is the step 1. You need to install the Chrome plugin and build up your top list. Then step 2 is tweak and export your voiceover campaign file. So this is the Chrome extension plugin. So here if I click this bulb button, it will give me that lot of low hanging long tail keyword ideas to me, right? So just say for example, right now it's there that best computer monitors 2021. This is the step 1. So the step 1 is displaying, is a click on bulb to get the niche, right? So if I click that bulb, then I will get the keywords like this. See that best Chromebook 2021. So a lot of keywords is changing. All of these keywords are low hanging fruit kind of keywords, right? You will get the traffic very easily. That step 2 is the research 3 to 5 products niches. So basically that step 2 is providing you that all the variations among this keyword, right? Sorry, for example, so this best baby stroller 2021, here that just is a variation, can is a variation, reviews just, under, no. So these are all the, we can call it as a stop word or variation of that long tail keyword, right? So once we identified that keywords to target with, then the next thing is we need to copy some of the contents of that keyword. uh, not some of the contents, we need to search the result on either Google or YouTube with that particular keyword, right? So when I click this link, it will directly open into that Google search result. So where I can do some research and copy some of the information uh, to the Google Chrome extension again, right? So let's see it here. I just go to that particular result. So if I scroll down on this page is providing some of the information for that keyword. See here that Citizen C smartwatch is there and Xiaomi Mi watch is there. And if I go into this result, this is the best Android smartwatch 2021, right? So these are all the best smartwatches at a glance. So there are 6 watches they have provided, and they provided some more information. So from this I will copy some of the information and paste it into my Chrome extension, right? Now I just go into that images section for that particular keyword and just copy some updated image here. So I copy this image address and come back to the Chrome extension, and in the under the product 1 category I just paste that image URL on image URL 1, and the product URL of course is your affiliate, that Amazon affiliate URL, right? So then this is the affiliate link. So then I need to enter that product name by copying this and pasting this again on here. Then likewise I need to fill that all of the information, so one by one here for the all the 3 to 5 products. Once I done all the things, I simply just save and export this campaign button. When I click this button, it will download into that my own domain. Then I will just simply click the choose button on this Zen affiliate program, so and save those product into the databases, right? So or otherwise that whatever things I done in this Google Chrome extension, that everything I can do in the web-based application also, like one by one manually. So like that URL, image URL, everything I can do it. Or the other way, so this is the manual work. On the other way, if I go to the campaigns, so here I am seeing there are 946 products which has already done some research and do all of the things for you. Basically this is the done for you campaigns. So if you are targeting that keyword related to camera, you just simply filter that camera here, then all of that camera related products will displayed here, right? So or you can use this most commonly used thing for filtering the products. So once you filter the product, you can simply choose some of the product by click the save to clipboard option, right? So just say for example this Nikon DA10, I just save this to the clipboard and save this also into the clipboard, right? So this product is basically will have all the information what that campaign, all the attributes what that campaign needs to be. So we don't need to write anything, right? So I just copy 3 to 4 products here that is saved to clipping and everything. Okay, so far I copied that 4, and this is the fifth one. I copied it. Then if I click the export, then you see that all the voiceover files will be coming here automatically. So of course this is done for you, the voiceover campaign, so like what we done in that Chrome extension here coming here. So this is, it will reduce our work in lot more, right? So then we simply tweak some of the texts here. Just say for example like that at number 5, so I need to give that campaign name, then copy this, that best high-end DSLR camcorders 2021, it's my campaign name, and presenting that 5 DSLR camera. I just change this as for 5 DSLR cameras for 2021, and likewise I can change something on this text. So once done this, I can simply export the campaign for website with voiceover. I can choose the voiceover character here. I choose that Mail UK. Then if I click this button, that campaign file with the voiceover will be downloaded into my local computer. Then I need to open that Zen Video Creator, which is the Windows or Mac based application you need to install on your computer. Then if you import that downloaded campaign file here, that all the campaigns will be downloaded here. So from here, if you click this, you can able to see that preview of each slide with the voiceover. Then you can do all the how we say that that animation and speed and everything else you can do on this. And once you've done all the things on this video creator software, you can export this as a video and upload it into your YouTube channel for targeting that long tail low competition keyword to get the free traffic to your Amazon affiliate products, right? If you are interested to purchase this Primo Profits, I have created some special bonus page to increase the value of your investment on the Primo Profits, and I have given the link down below this video YouTube description box. If you click that link, it will take you to my bonus page of the Primo Profits, which exactly look like this. So in this page you can able to find my review of this product and the yes order now button in various places. So if you click this yes order now button on my bonus page, it will take you to the sales page of the Primo Profits where you can purchase the Primo Profits, right? So when you purchase the Primo Profits like this way, then you will get all of my custom bonuses as 100% as a free of cost. So let's see what are all the bonuses I'm offering you for the Primo Profits. For that, I simply click that claim my bonus now button. It will directly take you to my bonus section page, right? So here when I said that my exclusive bonuses, so with that said, you can feel free to shop around and find what other marketers are offering the bonuses for Primo Profits, and you will realize my bonuses are unique. When you realize my bonuses are unique, you can come back to my bonus page by clicking the link that I have given down below this video, right? So my bonus number 1 for this Primo Profits is the best way to make high ticket commissions along with affiliate marketing online. So you will learn that those are all the best way, right? And bonus number 2 is the collect free sales opportunities coming from search engines. You will receive that lot of leads from Google or Yahoo with this simple hack, right? You can learn that hack from here. And bonus number 3 is the live demo to generate an income, discover long tail keywords using free resources. Though this Primo Profits is giving you that 900 plus done for you long tail keywords to target with, so this my particular bonus will teach you how you can identify that more than 900 done for you long tail keyword by yourself. This simple hack will teach you how you can find that long tail keyword on YouTube, right? And my bonus number 4 is the how to develop a list without a squeeze page. So basically to building the list we need a squeeze page. A lot of gurus are telling like this only, but this particular bonus will teach you without a squeeze page how you can build your list. You can learn this from here. And bonus number 5 is the how I produce that YouTube video rapidly without displaying my face. So this is one of the thing you will get from me as a bonus. And bonus number 6 is the you will get the access of Eclipse plus Eclipse Rolodex, which is the one of the Warrior Plus product sold over 2000 copies. So you will get access for this product, right? And my bonus number 7 is the learn to generate 100k plus guest to passive profit funnels to build a list quickly. Right, so these are all the bonuses I am offering. So if you are interested to purchase the Primo Profits, you just click the link that I have given down below and come to my bonus page and click this S order now button to purchase the Primo Profits, so that you will get all of the bonuses what I have mentioned just now will be delivered to you. So how that delivery will happen? It's simple. After you purchase, you just go to that Warrior Plus purchase receipt page that likely that would be like this. Then here you can simply plus this access affiliate bonus, then all of the bonuses what I have mentioned now will be delivered instantly to you, right? So let's have a look at the pricing of this Primo Profits. For that, I simply little bit scroll up on my bonus page. Then here that funnel I giving you. So the Primo Profits front end comes with $17 and the unlimited comes with 29, and the autopilot mode is the 39, and a reseller for 197, and done for you is the 197, and the mega bundle is the $97. So what are all that upgrades and OTOs is having, that all the information I have provided on my bonus page, you can come and read it on your own time. Right, so with that said, I am signing off here. If you are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please press the red subscribe button down below this video and make sure you have switch on the notification bell button, so that every time I go live or I uploaded a video, you will get a notification. Okay guys, bye bye.